Welcome back to another Medtech Snapshot. Today, we're talking about the recent news from the FDA as the word finally came out referencing 21 CFR 820 and the transition now to ISO 13485, Section 2016. So with me is Square One's Director of Operations, Trisha Aure. So, I think today it would be interesting to talk about the article that we just had go out that really kind of sorted through the differences between CFR, ISO 13485, some of those key components. Can you kind of walk us through, from your perspective, what are the biggest areas of difference? And what are some of the things that people need to be looking out for?
Absolutely. And that's a great question. So one of the biggest differences that, comes to lie as you're looking through the article is, the 21 CFR 820 is a US based standard for US regulations, where bringing in ISO 13485, it's an international standard that opened doors for global markets while looking at the entire life cycle of the device.
Yeah, and to that point, for so long, it used to be that the strategy was going out to the EU, getting your CE mark. That was the easier process, right? That has since changed to a degree, but I think the new process where we're all looking at ISO 13485 as our key standard moving forward for the states in particular will be helpful to most companies once they make the transition.
Absolutely. Another key area to really look at is, yes, the CFR 820 has risk management involved, but with 13485, there's a greater emphasis on risk management, and that's including the risk assessment and risk management planning. For example, on the planning side, we would be looking at analyzing risk's likelihood and impact, developing strategies to minimize harm and monitoring those effectiveness. Another area that I think is key to bring up too is the specific requirements around the design development activities. So although it is again in CFR 820, 13485 is bringing a bigger emphasis in regards to design controls specific to V&V and design changes along with the design transfer.